Okay. Now, in your further maths or in your A-level mathematics, simultaneous equations, they are much different than you people have in your O-level mathematics. When you are in O-level mathematics, you have equations like this. Okay? For example, you have 2x plus 3y that is equal to 2. That is equation number 1. And then you have 3x plus y, and let's say that is going to be equal to 5. Now these are two equations. Now there are more than three ways of solving these two equations. One is the elimination method. Okay, do you know what is that elimination method?
सर वो याद था लेकिन वो 6 महीनों
Elimination
बाद था.
method mein, what do you do? That you try to make the coefficients same, like 2 or 3. You will multiply this equation by 3 and you will multiply this equation by 2. दोनों में 6 हो जाएगा, and then you will subtract them. So that is elimination method. Okay. Then you have the substitution method, where what do? You just take, like for example, you will take out y from this equation, and that will become, like from this second equation you have y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Okay, and you will substitute this into this equation, and then this will become 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 3x. So you will get your x from this, and then you will get your y from this third equation. Okay. Then there is a graphical method, where you plot both the lines on a graph paper, and then you see that if they are intersecting, that point of intersection is the solution of these two equations. Okay? There is a matrices method as well, but we don't use this in both maths and add maths now. When we talk about the simultaneous equations in additional mathematics or A-level mathematics, then you have some different kinds of the sets of the equation. For example, you can have one equation is, let's say this is y minus x that is equal to 3. And the other equation can be very weird, kind of like this can be 2 over x minus x over y, and that is equal to 1. You see that these are, like, let me just write this neatly. This is 2 over x minus x over y, this equal to 1. Now this elimination method will no more be used here now, this elimination method. We don't go for this either graphical method. Okay. Now we shall be using this substitution method in all these cases. Okay? So you have to focus on this substitution method now. So in this, like if this is your first equation, this is your second equation. So what you will be doing, you will, like from this equation, this is mostly a linear equation, you will take out x or y from this equation. Like you have from this first equation, you have your y is equal to 3 plus x. Okay, you can name this as your third equation. And then you substitute that into this equation. I would suggest, before you substitute, you just simplify this a bit. Can I take xy as the LCM? This is 2y minus x squared, that is equal to 1. So you have 2y minus x squared, that is equal to xy. So this is now your second equation. Okay, so I'm just going to make this the second equation. So you substitute this y in the second equation. Okay, so this will become 2 into 3 plus x. So I'm changing this y with this expression 3 plus x. And then you have minus x squared, and that is going to be x into 3 plus x. So now this is going to be a longer solution. You have to be very careful with the signs and these expansions. This is going to be 6 plus 2x minus x squared, that is 3x, and then x squared. Okay, Let's move all of them to this side. So this is going to be x squared plus x squared. Then you have 3x minus 2x. And then you have minus 6, that is equal to 0. So we have it now 2x squared plus x minus 6. Now this is up to you. You can factorize this. You can um, use the quadratic formula. I see that this can be factorized. This is 2x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So this is 2x into x plus 2. This is minus 3 into x plus 2. That is equal to 0. So you have x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. So we have x as minus 2 or x as 3 over 2. And then you substitute that into the third equation. So from the third equation, when your x is minus 2, your y is going to be 1. When your x is 3 over 2, which is basically 1.5, then your y is going to be 4.5. So the point is that now you will be using this substitution method. Okay, Hassan, you have to use this substitution method. You pick the easier, the simpler equation from where you can take out y or x, like we are doing this from this first equation. We took out y from here, and then you substitute that into the second equation. Sometimes you have to make this simpler by, like, simplifying it. So as I did here, I took the LCM and then I wrote it like this, and then I have shown you all this solution. Okay.